Ever wondered where billionaires are putting their money in 2024? From cutting-edge tech to sustainable energy, let's dive into their secret strategies. Today, we're uncovering the investment strategies of the world's wealthiest individuals. You'll discover how billionaires are growing their wealth and the secrets you can apply to your own investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's something here for you. Tech investments. First up, let's talk tech. Billionaires are pouring their money into the latest innovations, such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and even space technology. Companies like OpenAI and SpaceX are not just buzzwords. They represent the future of industry and commerce. Take AI, for instance. It's revolutionizing everything from customer service to healthcare, with enormous potential returns. Jeff Bezos, for example, has heavily invested in AI through his ventures. AI is not just about creating smarter machines. It's about transforming how businesses operate, making processes more efficient, and providing personalized customer experiences. Blockchain technology is another area attracting significant investment. Beyond the realm of cryptocurrencies, blockchain offers secure, transparent, and decentralized ways to handle transactions and data. It's being adopted across various sectors, including finance, supply chain, and healthcare. Billionaire Tim Draper is one of the many who see blockchain as the future of secure digital interactions. He has invested in numerous blockchain startups, believing that this technology will fundamentally change how we interact with digital platforms. And let's not forget space tech. With Elon Musk leading SpaceX and Jeff Bezos with Blue Origin, space exploration is becoming a hot investment. The potential for satellite internet, space tourism, and even interplanetary colonization offers unprecedented opportunities. Imagine a future where space travel is as common as air travel today, or where we mine asteroids for precious metals. These investments are not just about reaching the stars. They're about pioneering new frontiers and opening up vast economic possibilities. Sustainable and green energy. Next, we're seeing a massive shift towards sustainable and green energy investments. Solar power, wind energy, and electric vehicles are at the forefront of this revolution. Elon Musk, through Tesla, is driving the EV market forward, while Bill Gates is backing numerous clean energy startups. The promise here is not only financial return, but also a positive environmental impact. As the world becomes more conscious of climate change, investments in green energy are expected to grow exponentially. Solar energy companies are seeing massive growth, as advancements in technology make solar panels more efficient and affordable. Wind energy is also expanding, with new offshore wind farms being developed around the world. These investments are creating a cleaner, more sustainable future. Investments in electric vehicles, EVs, are particularly noteworthy. Beyond Tesla, companies like Rivian and Lucid Motors are attracting significant funding. The transition to EVs is accelerating, driven by technological advancements and supportive government policies. Investing in EV infrastructure, like charging stations and battery technology, is also a growing trend. Imagine investing in a sector that not only promises profitability but also contributes to saving the planet. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with the latest investment trends, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Real estate trends. Let's shift gears to real estate. Billionaires are not just sticking to traditional property investments. They're exploring new trends like smart homes, sustainable buildings, and co-living spaces. Smart homes, equipped with the latest technology, are becoming the norm. They're not just about convenience, but also about energy efficiency and security. Smart home technology includes everything from automated lighting and heating to security systems that you can control from your phone. Sustainable buildings, designed to minimize environmental impact, are also gaining traction. These investments promise to be both profitable and eco-friendly. Green buildings use energy-efficient materials and renewable energy sources, reducing their carbon footprint and operating costs. Moreover, the concept of co-living spaces is reshaping urban living. These are communal living arrangements that offer affordable and flexible living options, particularly appealing to millennials and young professionals. Co-living spaces often come with shared amenities like kitchens, gyms, and co-working spaces, fostering a sense of community. Billionaire investors are recognizing the potential of these modern real estate trends. They're investing in properties that cater to the changing lifestyles and preferences of younger generations who prioritize flexibility and community over traditional homeownership. Health and biotechnology. Another hot sector is health and biotechnology. With the recent advancements in telehealth, genomics, and personalized medicine, this field is exploding with potential. Telehealth, accelerated by the pandemic, is now a permanent fixture in healthcare. Companies like Teladoc have seen significant investment from billionaire backers. Telehealth provides a convenient way for patients to consult with doctors remotely, reducing the need for in-person visits. It's particularly beneficial for managing chronic conditions and providing access to healthcare in remote areas. Genomics and personalized medicine are also at the forefront, offering tailored treatments based on individual genetic profiles. This approach is transforming how we treat diseases, moving away from a one-size-fits-all model to more precise and effective treatments. Investors like Bill Gates are heavily funding research in these areas, recognizing the potential for groundbreaking treatments and cures. For instance, CRISPR technology, which allows for precise editing of the genome, is showing promise in treating genetic disorders and even curing some diseases. The biotech sector promises not only financial gains, but also the potential to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. Investments in biotech companies are funding the development of new drugs, therapies, and medical devices that could save lives and improve quality of life for millions. Alternative investments. Finally, let's delve into some less conventional investments. Art, collectibles, and cryptocurrencies are attracting billionaire investors. Art and collectibles have always been a store of value. Recently, digital art and NFTs have taken the spotlight. These digital assets represent a new form of ownership and investment, with some pieces selling for millions. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets verified using blockchain technology. They can represent anything from digital art and music to virtual real estate and collectibles. The market for NFTs has exploded, with artists and creators monetizing their work in new and innovative ways. Cryptocurrencies, despite their volatility, remain a favorite among billionaires. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins offer high-risk but potentially high-reward opportunities. Stories of investors who turn small amounts into fortunes are becoming more common. However, it's essential to be aware of the risks involved. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and prices can swing dramatically in a short period. Despite this, the potential for significant returns makes it an attractive investment for those willing to take the risk. These alternative investments provide a way to diversify portfolios and hedge against traditional market fluctuations. They also offer opportunities to invest in emerging trends and technologies that could shape the future. Whether it's the digital art market or the decentralized finance ecosystem, these investments are pushing the boundaries of traditional finance and creating new opportunities for growth. So, there you have it, a peek into how billionaires are investing their money in 2024. From cutting-edge technology and sustainable energy to innovative real estate, health advancements, and alternative assets, the opportunities are vast and varied. Which investment opportunity caught your interest the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to keep learning about smart investment strategies, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your engagement helps us create more content to help you on your financial journey.